This illustration deals with the perimeter surfaces of the pool. And of course, that's in accordance with 680.26 B2 c1 through 4. Now, the purpose of the change is to provide a new subsection. And a new subsection has been accepted and has been added to clarify that the copper grid shall be permitted to be used for the equal potential plane as defined in Article 100, where structural reinforcing steel is not available or is encapsulated or insulated in a non-conductive compound. Now, to review this, first I'd kind of like to review this, number 8 bare conductor that you see run around the pool, and items in the pool may be bonded to it in some cases. And notice it's a number 8 bare solid conductor installed to provide a 4-inch to 6-inch network copper grid under the pool and deck per 680.26 B as in boy 1, little a as in apple, and B as in boy, little b, in accordance with 680.26 B1.3. Now, notice secondly, it has to be installed at least 3 foot from the inside wall of the pool in accordance with 680.21 B2 little c2. Now notice that arrow to the right bottom side of the illustration points the arrow to that 3 foot requirement that we are looking at there. Now notice for splicing, exothermic welding is permitted by 680.26 B2 C3 that you see called out there. And then, of course, you have your circulating pump and your GFCI replacement motors that you see in 680.21 D. That's also a call out there. And you always have to have that number 8 run over to the pump, even if it's a non-metallic pump, in case it's changed out. And someone may use a metal pump. You know, you never know what's going to take place there. And then for the perimeter surfaces we're talking about, then that is on the left-hand side of the pool at the bottom. And again, they're telling you to really get a good handle on this new subsection, C 680.26B as in boy. Now, a reminder that I would like to call out to you is the also, that you see the arrow to the right in the center pointing to that number 8 grid type, copper grid type conductor there, number 8. It says also see 680.26B as in boy, 2 little c for instructions on exactly what's required when you would actually need this number 8 to be installed and used based upon the purpose of change information for this new subdivision.